Hello guys, today I've got Motorola Vervebuds 250 and I'm going to show you how you can easily unpair these earbuds from your Windows PC. At first you need to open the settings by clicking your Windows logo at the bottom of your screen with the right mouse button, like that, and not like that, like that. And here you need to enter the settings. Now, here you need to enter Bluetooth and devices, and here you need to enter devices. Find here Vervebuds 250, click them, and now click here remove. And once you click this remove, which I need to find because I lost my pointer, I don't know why. Here I see this. Here remove, you should have your headphones removed and you will be completely unpaired. Goodbye!